Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Bionic Trades. This is part 2 of a 2-part series, so if you haven't already, please check out part 1. In part 1, I overfitted my bot and customized it a bit too much. What I realized was that I made the bot focus and look for only mean reversion strategies. This means that we would try to buy breakdowns and sell higher at prior pivots. This type of strategy works on some days, but not others. And more importantly, we're not looking for breakdowns, meaning that if something is looking weak, we do not look for continuation of that weakness. This of course applies to the long side as well, so if something's looking strong, we're not looking for continued strength. This type of trading is considered trend following, and this only works on some days as well. So the million-dollar question is, how do you know what's going to work each day, trend following or mean reversion? One day, I hope to improve my algo to better determine what kind of day it's going to be. For now, the fix is to allow both types of entries. For now, we'll simply rely on the accuracy of our entry points, macro and market indicators, and of course, risk management. We're just hoping to win more than we lose. That sounds really simple as I say that, but that's really what bot trading is about. We're really just trying to stack the odds in our favor. This is actually a good live example of a stock either going to break out or continue its way down. Can you guess whether it's going to continue its downtrend? Or will it break out to its prior highs? Were you right? I bet half of you were right and half of you were wrong, but don't feel bad, this is really hard. Let's get back to live trading. Looks like we're off to a good start, already up $30.80. Three trades in, and we're already up 2 trades to 1. We broke even on CAR, and we got stopped out on LI, and it doesn't look like we're going to get a fill on MPW. So far, it's been a pretty neutral day. We've lost $5.71, and we've only won 1/3 of our trades. So we've won 3 out of 9 total trades. And we get stopped out on Uber for a loss of almost $12. But this is where it turns around. We enter a short on NCLH, but unfortunately, shortly after our entry, we move to a different chart, PBH, where we don't actually get filled. Here is the exact moment that we actually close out NCLH for a win. I'll show you the chart later in the video. In the meantime, we try entries on CMSA and also WBA, where we also don't get filled. But our short on CAR is looking pretty good. Alright, we're nearing the end of today. It's about 2:30 p.m. Central Time, and let's see if we can close strong. And it looks like we got out just in time on TPR. After winning 6 out of 14 trades today, our profit for today is $100.33. Oh, and I didn't forget about our best trade of today, which is NCLH. As it turns out, this is a trend following trade. The stock follows its trend downwards, and we're able to capitalize on its weakness. If we had left our system alone and only looked for mean reversion, we would have not benefited from this move. Well, thank you so much for sticking with me in this two-part video. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe.